Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well, and today I'm talking about a new company into my portfolio which I covered about a week ago, saying that if this company got to 20, maybe in that teen range, I might start considering opening up a position. And this stock actually did start dropping. It's been hovering around that 18, 19, 20 range, and I thought it was Friday. I just recorded about the 3 UK stocks I bought, and I was looking at the stock. I think it's just dropped into the $19 range. I was thinking, I'm going to go buy it, and I did buy some shares in Tattoo Chef, and I'll walk you through what my planning is, what my kind of thought process is with this one, and where I see this stock going. Now, last time I actually recorded a video on Tattoo Chef, there was a few dislikes on it. I feel like it is a bit of a shorted stock right now, which isn't great, but at the same time, as long as I believe where I see the company going, I'm sure it will do okay. But if you do want to keep up to date with what I'm buying and what I'm selling, make sure you join the Patrons group, because I was posting on there that I was going to look to try and open a position into this one. But right now, my current holding position in Tattoo Chef isn't that big. It's currently my smallest position in the portfolio right now. So it's still got a lot of room to kind of scale up here. Potentially this company could make a big position in my portfolio. But I'm kind of holding off with it being a recent SPAC merger. And one of the things that I was waiting for is for the confirmation of the merger to happen. Which it has done, and now it has the name Tattoo Chef on the stock chart. But the thing is it's going to be a very volatile stock. I don't normally like buying stocks when they come to the stock market, because they can go up a lot, they can go down a lot, and I wait for a lot of financial statements and then go buy the company. But with Tattoo Chef, I feel like this is a very good opportunity here, and I don't know how long it will be here. But at the same time, I am quite knowing that this stock has the potential to even go down 30% in the short term, because of it being a new kind of IPO stock, new on the stock market. So with that in mind, that's why I've not bought so heavy and left myself a lot of room to carry on buying more. With this company though, I do feel like it's a good opportunity here, and I'll go through the reasons why. And like I said, I still wanted to have some shares in case this stock started taking off. But at the same time, like I say, I've left myself a lot of room to keep on buying a few more shares into Tattoo Chef. So I covered this stock kind of in full detail last week. So if you do want to check that out, go check it out there. That's where I kind of break it down a lot more. But first of all, like the reasons why I bought this company, and like why I think I'm going to make money in this company, why I see the share price going up in this company. So first of all, the main thing why a company goes up in value is because it does well. It grows profitability, it grows revenue. Very unlike a lot of SPAC stocks previously, what Tattoo Chef was, it was a profitable company, and you don't see many of these. So that was the first thing that got me interested, is that it's already profitable. And when you look at what the earnings have previously been doing, the earnings, the revenue, the growth has been absolutely insane. So I'm looking at a company that's already profitable with massive revenue growth, and if it carries on doing this revenue growth over the next few years, at some point the share price will move in the right direction with it. Now, as well as having a clean sheet, obviously the Tattoo Chef is in kind of the plant-based food sector, which is a massive growing sector. So the company it's in is a sector that I do really like. And when we compare it to one of the biggest brands in this sector that's on the stock market right now, is Beyond Meats. And we know what Beyond Meats has done over the course of the last kind of 2 years it's been on the stock market. It's exploded. The stock has gone up absolutely huge. It is trading at a rich valuation, and I know because of the product range, you can't exactly compare Tattoo Chef to Beyond Meat, but we kind of have a rough idea of what potential Tattoo Chef could have as a company and as a stock. Now, when we actually look at the valuation of this company, and let's not forget, Tattoo Chef, the growth rates are better than what Beyond Meats are doing, and I believe that Tattoo Chef will carry on outperforming Beyond Meats on a growth basis as well, is that Tattoo Chef is currently trading at a lot cheaper valuation than what Beyond Meats is. Tattoo Chef is something like a price to sales ratio of something like 4. We look at Beyond Meats and it's something like a 16, 17. So the valuation side of it compared to Beyond Meats is a lot cheaper. And when you consider the amount of growth that's in Tattoo Chef right now compared to Beyond Meats, is massive. So I think when you look at a competitor, like you look at the valuation and the growth, it looks already quite interesting from that point of view. I think as well, the key thing behind Beyond Meats and why it's done so well is that I think Beyond Meats has a very good branding, and I think it's done well from that. Obviously it's done some really good partnerships which has helped it, but I think the branding as well is pretty good. And I look at Tattoo Chef and I believe that that's a pretty decent branding. I also look at Beyond Meats and they've got pretty decent reviews, and when you look at Tattoo Chef's reviews on like Walmart, for example. Some of their reviews are really positive as well. So we've got a product that has a great brand, great growth. I also think like the product itself is quite a good product. Unfortunately, because it's only the US base, I can't actually try the product, but it looks like it is a product that is very well received. And that's another thing, is that we look at what Tattoo Chef is right now. They're just basically like US based. They're still, you know, really early stages, this company. Think about the growth that it will have when it starts expanding worldwide. That will, you know, take it up another level when it starts expanding country by country. So it's still got a lot more room to grow yet. Let's not forget that. And when we look at what it actually has in place right now, it's just announced a new e-commerce site, which will also help it. It also has a deal with Walmart, which basically at the moment, it hardly is in a lot of their stores. I think it's about 17% by June, and towards the end of the year they're going to be in about 50% of the Walmarts. So even the contract with Walmart isn't fully ramped right now, and as well as that, there's Target who are trialing a few stores with Tattoo Chef. So if that really takes off as well, and you have 100% in Walmart and 100% into Target, they're going to be some massive sales. And let's not forget as well, like the growing e-commerce platform, and also if it grows worldwide as well, this company is going to do quite well. So like I say, I bought in about $19.20 on this one, and I will carry on averaging in around that $19 range. Hopefully sometimes I'll pick it up for maybe $18, $17, and like I say, I can see this being a decent position size for me. I could see it being around about my 6th biggest position in the portfolio. I don't want to make it a huge position because of it being a very early stages growth stock, so I don't want it to get anywhere near a Facebook, for example, in my portfolio. But I do believe there's a massive potential in this company, and I could see it doing very well on the share price front, something like a Beyond Meats, for example. And like I said, I could see the stock easily being a $40 stock in 2 to 5 years time. So I think there's big opportunity here in this one. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thought I'd update you with that. I have bought some Tattoo Chefs. Like I said, very small position to start with. We'll see where it goes, but I am a big fan of this company. So if you could subscribe, that would be amazing. If you could smash the like button as well, and let me know in the comment section where you at with Tattoo Chef. Are you guys avoiding this one? Are you buying that one? Buying this one as well? That would be super. And I'll see you in the next video.